I'm Martik Alexandrian and I'm living in Sunland, California. When I came to America 10 years ago, I was looking for buying home. So when I got my home, I think about the solar because I like to help the environment to be clean. So I asked one of my friends, they introduced Brad Hoffman to me, and they have a good experience of the job done, and they are using the solar for 2 years. He called LA City for get the permits, all the job he did by himself, and I didn't have any issues calling anybody. My electric bill is going to be canceled. Only $10 I have to pay for membership of the city. After that, I'm producing more electricity than I'm using. So that's make money for me, beside of nothing pay for any electricity power. That's a good benefit for me. This technology is amazing. It's very good thing to have it, to produce your own power, and you can give more power than you are using to the city, to the system, and you can help others to have power too. They install for me SolarWorld panels, and they have 25 years warranty, and that's a peace of mind for me. For anything happen, damage or not, everything, they are going to cover that.